for the one time. A little something, bug. Look at them talking about grams and the new Hyundai. What the? Man, I hate when that shit do that shit, man. That little lane assist shit. Gang, we out here another day. Hey, y'all know I'm gonna get dead to it, man. I need y'all drop in the comment section. This gonna be like some regular shit now. I think I really be the one that be on time all the time. You know what I'm saying? But it might be a day that I ain't, you know. So, but that's why I'm gonna go ahead and kick it off right now. I need y'all to drop in the comment section. Let me know who caused us to be late. Is it Big Mill or Lil Mill? Who is it? Look, they trying to answer.
Last time.
Don't listen to what nobody's saying, gang. Y'all just drop in the comment section and let me know who y'all think which one was the reason why we. What if y'all even thought it was me?
Yeah.
But it ain't me,
right.
So it ain't gonna be me. I'll let y'all know that. I was sitting there ready on point, gang.
Somebody need the ice for the coolie juice.
Oh, no, here they go with that bullshit. Now, I had to wait on them to go get all that, you feel me? So y'all drop in the comment section and let me know who it is, you know? But yeah, man, we headed to the Midwest Connection demonstration. It's 5:30. I think it started at about, I think they had pull-ins about 10 or something like that. 12 was when they pretty much started the show type deal. But, you know, we had to go ahead and get that fully footage and get that action when them boys leaving. If y'all remember last year, it was a big zoo out there. Everybody was turning up. You know, I was turning up at 38. I know y'all are looking like, damn, why you ain't in Freaky? Freaky ready. But I literally got off at like 11 in the morning. I was dead. Plan was to go try and pick on up, come back, you feel me, drop the video, then head up to the show. Listen, when I got to the crib, it was over with. I ain't gonna cap to you. Night, lights out for the kid, gang. Woke up, I only got about a couple hours of sleep, nothing crazy, still dead, so y'all know we Celsius bound and everything like that, you know. But that's the reason why I ain't in Freaky today, man. I really wanted to bring it on out, you know what I'm saying? Because everybody outside and they stuff acting bad, and it's one of them type of times. Like, this one of the biggest shows out there, too, in the Midwest, too. So, but, hey, as long as I'm there, got the juice on deck, be able to vibe, kick it with the gang, get the footage for y'all so y'all can go ahead, those that didn't come, be able to see it. Those that are there, you be able to see your shit on the channel, too, you know? That's the type of time I'm on, man. So, listen, y'all know I'm fully footage man, so gets fully for Kooliebkoolin when it's time, you know what I mean? Letting them permit that shit, you know, but I like to get the fully footage. I ain't gonna sit here and cap, you know, that should be the shit that turned me up. I need that energy to tee up, man, but literally we about like 20 minutes away, so once we get there, I go ahead and cut this demonstration back on. Y'all know, hey, juice limited this time. I ain't gonna sit here and cap. Don't got that supply like I had last week. Your boy was dead this week, you know, so got a decent amount, but it ain't like last week. So hey, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, guess you gotta catch me on the rerun. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and move and groove, get these tunes flowing, get off this Celsius, get in mode, And yeah, you know, I got my turn-up glasses on today, you feel me? So I might be a little dangerous, you feel me? I might get a little wiggity wiggity wiggity. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all see Lil Bell back there sipping already. She got the straw, the whole little shebang. God damn. She got the whole kit, gang. Damn. See? Steve, fuck you at. Amazing ass. Amazing. That's all I'm gonna say. Amazing. I told you about the show. Get with y'all when I get to the show, gang.
A few minutes later.
Camera live and lit, man. Go smack it one time.
Hey.
You take it off. She say, Daddy, let's get him out of here. What it is every time. That's I gotta get you on this bitch, my boy. I'm trying to get on some of that footage. Oh yeah, hey, I'm ready for you. Leaving this motherfucker, y'all know it's Vet Boy in the building. Y'all let know where to find you at, man. What you got going on? Social media networks, man. Simple and easy. Oh no, you good. Hey, he be catching all that shit too. What y'all don't see on my shit, he probably got well ahead. Cause how long you been here? Been here, bro. Oh yeah, he got some good footage. Yeah. You see the camera down, so he just got plenty footage, goddammit. It's time for me to work now. I'll get with you, my boy. That's fun.
It's Coolie Juice. It's Coolie Juice.
What row y'all want to hit? Y'all want to hit
the real song. They just dropped the trophies off.
I had to try for the old people. Y'all niggas was fucking me up. Let me show y'all where this shit comes from. That's why I told him to know, because I would hit him on Instagram. I'm like, bro, come on up. Love on the hood, gang. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Let me get this. Hold on, keep it going. Cause I've been wanting to get this young Chevy out here. Watch the cooler for me, baby. I've been wanting to get this young Chevy on here for the longest, gang. This motherfucker's so nasty. Big ass lips on here. Woo, they got the doors locked, so y'all can't even get to hold them double. I need a one-off on this one. I ain't gonna say head cap. Y'all see trunk knocking off the lid on this thing, man. They call her Bigfoot. They call her Bigfoot. Bigfoot, cause y'all see that big 8 on there with that lip with the woo. Look at that suspension on that hoe. Look at that suspension on that hoe. That motherfucker. My boy, what's the word, man? I know you got that thing out here. T. Man, I called you. Hey, gang, I called him. He was bullshit. I called him back, man. He's bullshit. I got. You want the warm ones, since you gonna have them to the bar? Yeah, give me the warm one. Right. Shit, I got them in the car. You wanna go over there now? The car right here. I get it right now. How many you want? You might as well just get 5. They a double piece. Give me 100, you get 5 of them motherfuckers. Okay. But I just get it from you though. Alright, that's cool. Alright, that's cool. And then when we leave here, I'ma call you and link with you there. If you don't wanna grab it right now. I'll have your shit to the side. Appreciate it, my boy. Hey, he know what that juice do. What you say that juice had? That boost juice. Hey, bro. Hey, I gotta give you your flowers, bro. Oh, appreciate it, man. Hey, look, I don't think people really know. Like, I know some people know you is. Right. A lot of people don't know who you is. Right. I know you from back in the day. Yeah. But I know you. No, hey, I just keep it on the tube, you know. I give you your flowers, bro. Hey, appreciate it, man. Been doing it. Appreciate it. Behind the museum days. Yeah. Back a minute ago, before this shit. Before all this. You know it. Like when I be watching your YouTube and shit, right? I should have been started. No, look, I be seeing you taking people's cars, I be like, damn. Like, he ain't judging it all. Like, I know you know how shit running. Like, right. You know running. Yeah. You know, bro. I be like, man, he's a cool ass nigga. Hey, man, you know, it's all chill, man. You know it. Gotta get your flowers, bro. Hey, appreciate it. Appreciate it, gang. Appreciate it, man. Love on that. I got the okay. I'm gonna get you on with the brush joints on there. I'm gonna get you on there. I got you. Oh yeah. What's cool? Oh, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Oh, you done got the juice. God, you gotta shake it up and let me know what's to that shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let me know what's to the juice. Y'all just pop that top out for her. Yeah. Let me know what's to the juice. Yes, sir. Hey, appreciate the support, man. Nice meeting you too. Hey, man, love on that, man. Y'all the ones that keep me going, MBS, man. For real, yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all see it though. Hey, I ain't gonna sit here and cap, gang. The love y'all be giving your boy, y'all literally the reason why I go ahead and keep this camera rolling, keep coming out, try and pop out, because at shows like this, that'd be the easiest way to go ahead and bump y'all, meet y'all, you know what I'm saying, show y'all so much love and everything like that. Like, it's just literally, y'all don't understand how much shit be literally going on you, like on regular life type of time, but like the support y'all give, it just keep a nigga just rocking and rolling with this camera and doing what I gotta do, man. So, shit, let's get back to this young Chevy. Juice was just slamming, hella support was just out here, you feel me? Yes, sir, chilling, man, getting the footage, you know it. But yeah, y'all, I need that young one-off on here. I ain't gonna cap, it's a bunch of Chevys. So you need that juice? Let's get you together on that young juice, man. Shake it up, nice for one time. What a dub. My boys! Hey man, y'all stay keeping this motherfucker crazy lit, my boy. Hey, y'all stay. My boy. Y'all stay keeping it lit, boy. Let's see what he think about the juice. Why black people smell first? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. Hey, black people always smell first. What's to the black people? You know, they smell what they eating, what they drinking. You know what I mean?
You gotta check.
You know?
Yeah,
Hey, you gotta verify if it's that or not. That black people literally the only people I know that I do the shit myself. So when I'm saying black people, I'm talking about me and all the other color people like me. We always smell it first. But hey man, listen, Kooliebkoolin just is big certified around this demonstration. Hopefully that gang. So yeah, let me try and move and groove and get all the cars that I can. We got the big row right here. Oh yeah, you getting them shorts on deck. Look at her working, getting them shorts on deck. Twine demonstration out here. It's so many fucking cars out here, y'all, that I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get them all. But if I stand by that pullout, I'll be able to get what I can, man. Y'all know Twine, he's supposed to have the top off this bitch, gang. He's supposed to have the top off this motherfucker, gang. This bitch supposed to be on big display. What's the word, man? Yeah, you see Big Bro know what time it is, man. Knock the top off that thing and have this bitch big on display so they can see all the guts. See everything, what's suited and booted on here. I hope I don't get copyrighted. That's why the fuck I'm talking my ass off. Big, doubled in that thing, you know what I'm saying? That's literally why I'm talking my ass off right now though. Oh, there go gang, them chilling right here. Hey, they ain't people. What's the word, my boys? Y'all out here, what's up, my boys? What's the word, man? Chilling. How long y'all been out here? Oh, okay, y'all just got two. Same shit, I'm finna move and try and catch what I can catch real quick. You know it. Sure, we can move and groove with it. I ain't gonna have y'all slinging the cooler. Look, Lil Mel out here slinging the cooler. That motherfucker heavy ain't it on me. That bitch heavy. That's why I put this bitch, that's why I say I'm getting turned today. Man, I'm getting turned today. Hey man, Swift Customs brought this motherfucker out here, man. GNX vibes, gang, on the custom Beanie. Y'all see it, man. Sitting right, step lip type demonstration. Big ass on the back end of this thing, gang. Hey, y'all see what type of time he on, man. Big GNX vibes, you know what's going on, man. This that joint. This one of them. This that killer. Revving that thing up. Nah, but hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is one of them right here. That GNX, that's the big boy of the GNs, gang. That's what you live to go ahead and grab when you get all the way situated. I ain't gonna lie. And then my man's, he out here driving that thing too, man. You know what I'm saying? Out here whipping it. You feel me? Ain't got that motherfucker put up and none of that extra shit. He out here with it, driving that motherfucker, getting fully, and it's nice and spicy too, man. Just know that, man. Hey, man. Yes, I thought I saw you over here, man. I'm trying to link with you, my boy. Hopefully I catch you out here. Looking for all the other demonstrations that's out here as well, man. Like I said, I gotta try and keep this camera rolling as much as I can, but if anything, I'm literally gonna go to where they all pulling out, because when everybody pulling out, you know what I'm saying, that's when I'm be able to catch what I can catch and catch all y'all cars. I'm here late as hell, just trying to make it do what it do one time for the one time. You know what time it is. We gotta see what you think about it on the channel. It's Kooliebkoolin flavor.
You take cash?
Yep, I got cash out. So let me pull it up for you. We gotta see what you think about the juice. Screw it off? No, screw it off the way you had it. Yeah. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
That's all right. It's gonna get you there, I'm telling you.
That's what you need.
Something nice, tastes good, but you can drink it the entire time. You know, hard liquor be a little nasty, but if you drink that shit off the
Where you at?
that you gonna be able to taste it. Tell you, boy, you drink, you gonna be gonna stand there with the juice and the exit on me. Cool on deck, get fully. Stop if you want the juice.
Should I go get my hookah?
Yeah, I don't even know. Oh yeah, it's time. I'm in the wrong spot, gang. I got to get the fully footage right. Oh yeah, these boys getting fully, gang. I got to have some fully footage. Got it. Oh yeah, they cutting up out here. I ain't gonna lie, all I hear is tires crunching. That's what we came for.
Got your boy Kooliebkoolin out here with the food juice. You know what I'm saying?
You got to go.
He said, I don't say, but say what up, man.
Yeah, what up, man? Oh yeah, these boys getting fully, guys.
She gonna do it. She gonna do it for us.
Do it, yeah. Alright, I gotta get the fully footage in a second. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let me know what you think about it.
Fuck your brain freak out the turn. Fuck.
Good, good.
Oh me, I wanna run with this shit. All I see is smoke.
What up with it, Jay?
I'm finna move fast with this shit. I'm missing the shit. I'll grab that in a second. Shit. I'm missing the fully footage, y'all. I'm trying to catch their ass, cutting the fuck up. Bitch out. Smoking that bitch out. Oh yeah, this where we at. This where we came to see. Ooh, my fault, my boy. Go on, twist that motherfucker, gang. What the fuck? You got that big lip on the back of that hole, man. What's up, man? We need that fully footage. That gives a little bit. We need a little irk and jerk one time for the one time. He need to bag up. He trying to get fully, my boy. He got some bag up, so he get fully, man. He ain't trying to tear his shit up. Told y'all, gang. I don't know where the cool at. Coolie juice probably getting stained. Hopefully Mel's World on top of that. But yeah, man, I'm steady here. I'm seeing too much tire smoke, too much burning rubber. Hey, man, missing all the booty footage. I don't even know where Mel at. Where she go? I don't even know where she at. Damn, let me whoop, whoop. Fucking the fit up. Oh, they ain't twisting. Come on, man. We done missed the fully footage, gang. God damn. I'm finna post it right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all want the juice? I'm posting right here. I'm finna catch it. Everybody getting twisted. But he done fucked the fit up. I don't even know where Mel's World at right now. It's the word, man.
What's up, bro?
Chillin', chillin'. I got to call Mel World now and figure out where the fuck she at. I don't even know where the cool at. I don't know where nobody at right now, gang. We just gotta figure all this shit out one time. And then I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. My boy pulling up, right way. You know what time it is. All right, get my boy doing a little something. Hey, man, I keep missing all the foodie footage. I turn around selling the juice, and then I hear wash, wash. I need a little soft, not too crazy, but a little soft, bug. Big tattoo around this motherfucker. Gang, I'm gonna catch as much fully footage as I can this entire time. That's why I say this be literally like one of the best car shows that be out here, because literally everybody is always cutting the fuck up. It's so much fully footage around here. I know you thirsty. You ready. You ready. You got this bitch smoking. I know I missed the fully footage. Well, we gotta go down there or something? Where it's clear at? Right here? Damn. My boy, bad boy, say right here. Big tattoo right here. Ooh, that bitch smoking. Fully footage. Hey gang, we gonna try to do what it do. Copyright live though. Let me cut this thing up. How that beat shit going? Y'all see what's to that motherfucker, man. Let them know what's to the juice, gang. Oh, the copyright live and lit. Look, I just be talking. I don't even know what I be saying. When I rewatch my shit, I be damn. I was talking my ass off. What's Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need to call that the Foolie Juice. Fuck the Coolie Juice. The Foolie Juice. Hey, you see my boy Reese out here, man. If y'all know where to find him at, man. Let them know where to find him if they don't, man.
Hey, listen, y'all. This is my boy Kooliebkoolin. Who y'all need to make sure y'all hit that subscribe. Be like me, support my brother. You know?
Hey.
Yeah. Keep going hard and bag talk part 2.
Oh.
Yeah. Fool know what happened. I respect him. Salute to him.
Right.
He did it the right way. He like, he running it back. And he said, we're gonna run all night. So these niggas dead.
Right.
So you say these niggas is talking about y'all.
Hey, he talking bad, boy. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. He gave me a couple sneak pictures of hit. That motherfucker is moving way more than that night them niggas saw. You know. I told you that shit throw shit, didn't I tell you? I told you it throw shit. Oh, look, he got the belt. Get away from us, man. He got the Chevelle shirt on, man. He trying to act too bad, man. He got the Chevelle shirt on. You know what I'm saying? I see. I ain't need the car here. I gotta get you on here, man. Man, fuck that. Look, stop talking about the bad of your shit. Let niggas talk that shit, bro. Because when they see the finished product, it's gonna be crickets around this motherfucker. So don't talk about the bad and what it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a build process. What people don't understand, gang, this shit take time. It take money. And those of y'all that's complaining about what this shit got, y'all shit ain't even to pop. No cap at all. 90% of the motherfuckers that sit here and talk shit about your car ain't even riding this shit. Ain't got a car. So all you do is just like it and keep it pushing. Because when you like it, they shutting the fuck up. As soon as you give them that little energy, sometimes I got my days that I give y'all that energy. But the majority of the time, I like that shit and keep it moving. Because at the end of the day, this shit take time to build. And if you can build that shit in a month or 2 months, it's some bullshit. Right. Them joints, that's them $100,000 plus demonstration. Yeah. 2-3 years. Nigga, that shit take time, bro. It's what it is. That's just what it is. And everybody can contest to that sitting right here. You feel me? The shit take time, gang. Hey, you know I started that.
I'm 20 years in, damn near.
And still touching that motherfucker. It's all about updating, keeping with the flame, you know what I'm saying? And surpassing shit. You feel me? You had that bitch done how long ago? Niggas didn't even catch up. Now they caught up. Now it's time to level. Hey, that's how this shit go. And broski shit, it's there. He steady complaining about these fucking door panels Nigga, fuck them motherfuckers. Y'all see the stance, y'all see the color, y'all see how he got everything together. It's a process, gang. That's all it takes. Time and patience. Hey, no, he definitely got that bitch sitting right. I ain't gonna lie. He got it sitting right. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Oh yeah, let me get you together on the juice, gang. Let me get. Oh, see, motherfuckers cutting up. Baby, hold that one time for me one time, baby. What's up, man? This thing gonna twist or what? It's gonna twist or what, gang? I need more than that. You gotta wait. Let him move forward. Let him move forward or bag that bitch up. One of the two. Let him move forward or bag that bitch up. You got space, my boy. You feel me? I need the Foolie footage, gang. We trying to catch when they twisting these hoes. We trying to catch when they twisting them. Cause I know that's what y'all like to see. You know what I'm saying? Tattoo. Hey man, y'all know Linwood is always tattoo. You see Red about to come through that motherfucker. You know Red gonna cut up. Is that Red or is it ain't? I got the frames on, I can't even really see. That grill look a little different, I ain't sure. Is that him?
No, that's blue.
Oh, okay. You know, okay. That motherfucker cut up too, but I know Red, he acting a dummy with that motherfucker. Yeah, for sure. Hey man, they doing the trophies and everything like that. They trying to see what's going on and all that. The work.
Sir, Coolie juice, sir.
You need it? You see it? Let me get you together.
What it is? It's gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna talk to you behind the laid back. How you doing?
How you doing?
Long time no see.
I know, right?
How do you see?
Back in her.
No, hey, these days, definitely. Hey, that's how I know how to sauce up the soup. Hey, look, he's talking about, you remember me from the day? Yeah, I worked in the Bay City department, food department. That's why when y'all see here's the toe under that, well, it be 50, tailored to death. You know what I'm saying? Everybody gave a long way. Hey, you know I ain't going to do it. Hey, we got to get you trying that motherfucker. My hands went home.
Right, that's good. Give me a fin. I got a couple hundred. I ain't got no friends.
I got change for your big Hondas, big dollar.
I got it in the car. Give me a fin. My man. 10, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut me out. You ain't never put that back in your pocket. There it is.
There you go, right there.
My boy.
You gotta taste it on the channel.
Oh, we're doing
Let
this.
them know what's going on.
It's all for the plan. And all right.
Don't pump it off, yeah.
Gotta keep it moving.
Let them know what's going on.
My man. Appreciate y'all, man.
Hey, man, love us.
Much love, bro.
You already know it, man.
I heard I need some of the shoes, brother, man. My man said that your shit a problem, man. I need to find it out.
I need to switch the name to Coolie Juice.
Shit, what you need to change it to? What you need to change it to?
No, I said I need to change the name to Coolie Juice because you're going to be acting weird tonight. I call it Coolie
Give me
Juice.
about it, man. Fuck it, how much?
It's a dub, man.
Let's do it.
Get you together and then you got to taste it on the channel. Let me know what you think about it.
So, she can't be in it. She ain't good, because she brass out. Yeah, why you do that? You know what I'm saying?
Dad, why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that?
Run on your man. Love. Hey, camera live, man. Crack that bitch open and let me know what you think about it.
Oh, yeah, that motherfucker ready, boy.
When that bitch sealed, that motherfucker.
I'm gonna go back, man. I didn't see that. Shit.
What up? Close that cooler for me, baby. Yo! Yo! That bitch live, man. Trying to catch fully footage. Hey, he say do it down there a little bit more. What's the word, man? Yes, sir. Come on, you ready for the juice? Let's get you together, gang. Oh yeah, them boys cutting up with 1 million people out here, gang. Hold it for me one time. Just, hey, y'all right? Y'all right? They got the hookah on deck, you see? Hey, we got chairs on deck, you know? Big juice still on deck, you know? Hold that one time for me, baby. Get you one down sitting below in this motherfucker. I gotta refill this house. Go ahead, man. Camera live and lit. You know you got to crack it and let them know what's to it. Yo, real life impression. I know the recipe is just, it's like A, B, C, D. But I just like everybody to just let me know if it's A, B, C, D every time. I know.
Well, he said he need another one.
Get him another one, dip it down low. My boy, man. Hey, man. Appreciate it, man. As always. Appreciate it. Me and that motherfucker with a refill, gang. That bitch with a refill. Oh, yes, sir. Hey. That motherfucker been doing push-ups. What? What you mean? He been doing push-ups. That motherfucker hitting harder and harder every time. Damn. I gotta get him cutting up. He in mode. You would think he was off the Kooliebkoolin juice. Me, the way he cutting up through that motherfucker. Oh yeah. Limited supply. What the fuck you talking about? Limited supply. For real.
Limited supply.
Limited supply at this point. Limited supply at this point on me. Hands cold as fuck. Shit.